Assalamu alaikum. This is Zafran Saeed. In today's lecture, we will be going to discuss Introduction to Literary Theories. Here's the outlines of the lecture, Introduction, and these are the theories that we will just define. Not we will not go to the details or explanations of this theory. We just define that what is formalism, structuralism, Marxism, feminism, postcolonialism, psychoanalysis, reader response theory, and deconstruction. So here you can see the introduction. Literary theories can be defined as the systematic study and the interpretation of literature and its components. Means the systematic study or interpretation of any literature, of any text, along with its components. When we going to interpret any text along with its components, the components including of its form, structure, language, themes, and cultural context, etc. So we are this is this helps us in order to interpret any text. Literary theories is a system, or you can say is a system with the help of which we interpret any type of text. According to Peter Berry, a literary theory seeks to establish general principles or general criteria of interpretation that can be applied to any literary text, regardless of its particular content or form. This means that literary theory provides a set of tools and frameworks that can be used to analyze and interpret any kind of literature. And we can also say that literary theory draws on a range of disciplines, including psychology, anthropology, linguistics, and philosophy, and among others. It is a constantly evolving field with new theories and approaches emerging all the time. Overall, the goal of literary theory is to provide a deeper understanding of literature, or you can say any text, in order to uncover its underlying meanings and themes, and to explore its relationship to culture and society. There are many literary theories, and it is difficult to give a specific number as the field of literature is constantly evolving and expanding. However, some of the major literary theories include formalism. This theory focuses on the formal elements of a text, such as the structure of a text, the language used in a text, such as its structure, language, and style. So, how language is used in a specific text and what type of style is that. So, this is what we analyze in formalism. The next is structuralism. This theory emphasizes the underlying structures and systems that shape a text meaning, such as binary opposition and language pattern. So, binary opposition is basically a key concept in structuralism, a theory of sociology, anthropology, and linguistics that states that all elements of human culture can only be understood in relation to one another and how they function within a larger system or the overall environment. The next is Marxism. This theory examines how social and economic structures influence a text meaning and how it reflects our challenges dominant ideologies. Then we have feminism. This theory focuses on how gender shapes text meaning and how it reflects or challenges patriarchal power structure. Patriarchal power structure means ruled or controlled by men. Or you can say patriarchy means giving power and importance only to men. So this theory reflects our challenges, the patriarchal power structures, that how or why the power is and importance is only given to men, not women. Next is post-colonialism. This theory explores how colonialism and imperialism shape a text meaning and how it reflects our challenges, cultural hegemony. Colonialism is basically a practice by which a powerful country control other countries, and imperialism is a system in which one country controls other countries, often after defeating them in war. And the cultural hegemony basically refers to the domination or rule maintained through ideological or cultural means. The next is psychoanalysis. This theory uses Freudian and Jungian concepts to analyze a text, characters, and themes. So, what is Freudian or Jungian concepts? This will be discussed in detail while discussing psychoanalysis theory. Reader response theory emphasizes the role of a reader in creating meaning from a text and how their personal experiences and beliefs shape their interpretation. The last one is the deconstruction. This theory challenges the notion of fixed meanings and examine the contradictions and paradoxes within a text. What is contradiction and paradoxes? Contradiction is a combination of statements, ideas, or features which are opposed to one another. And paradox is a self-contradictory statements. So these are just a few examples of literary theories, and there are many more. It is important to note that these theories are not mutually exclusive, and scholars often use multiple theories to analyze a single text. These are the references from which these information or materials is collected. Thank you.